Just because two compost piles have the same ratios doesn't mean they'll produce the same biological community. Here's why. I'm going to compare three compost recipes using the same basic category ratios: 10% high nitrogen, 35% green material, and 55% brown or woody material. Here's recipe 1, recipe 2, and here's recipe 3. You can see how the ratios are similar. Will these compost piles produce the same biological results? Not necessarily. Ratio is one part of the story, but also the ingredients and the way you manage your pile matter too. But for this example, let's focus on ingredients. Let's compare recipes 1 and 2. In recipe 1, there's only one ingredient in each category. But in recipe 2, I added coffee grounds to the green category and changed the brown ingredient from straw to wood chips. Those may seem like small changes, but they matter. Spent coffee grounds contain fatty acids that can support different types of bacteria and fungi and may even support some wood decaying fungi. The wood chips can also encourage more fungal organisms, especially those adapted to breaking down tougher, more resistant carbon material. Now let's look at recipe 3. I added spent grain and chicken manure to the high nitrogen category. I added different green clippings and weed trimmings to the green category, and I included chipped fall leaves in the brown category. This variation helps introduce and support a more diverse community of bacteria and fungi by providing them with a wider range of food sources. And when bacteria and fungi are active, they can also support the organisms that feed on them, like your protozoas, your nematodes, microarthropods, and others. So the recipe isn't just changing what the pile is made up of, it's changing what the pile can become biologically. This is why compost is more than just adding organic matter. When compost is made and managed well, it can function as a fertilizer, a soil amendment, and a biological inoculant. In the end, you're not just adding organic matter to the soil. You're also adding biology that can help support nutrient cycling, soil structure, and the movement of water and air through the soil. And over time, this can help reduce the need for expensive fertilizer inputs while building soil. So which compost pile would you rather use? And if this is something you want to learn more about, make sure to sign up for my newsletter. I'll be sharing upcoming workshops and also the seminar that we'll be having at Little Dog Farm next spring in Creston. So hopefully I'll see you at one of them.